What's up guys, welcome to Science and Knowledge. This is Shahbaz and today we have received another budget smartphone Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 have a 6.59 Huawei Ultra Full View display, auto pop-up selfie camera, triple AI main camera, 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of storage, 4000 mAh typical battery. As here you can see, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, ROM 128, RAM 4GB, colors fire blue, model STK-L21, dual SIM. So let's open it. Coming up next. Let's open it. Alright. Okay, so here is the smartphone. Let's see what's inside. I think it's a warranty card. Yes, of course. A manual book. It's in English. Yes. A silicone cover, a protected cover. Quality is not bad. And here is a SIM ejecting key. Alright. Here is a USB Type-C cable. Quality is not bad. A hands-free. A 3.5mm audio jack hand-free. Okay, let's see what's inside. Here is a charger, a fast charger. Quality is wonderful, as you can see. Okay, now let's see. So here is the bad boy. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Wow, it's wonderful. It's not bad. The quality is wonderful. On the right side, as you can see here is the power button, a volume rocker. On the top, here is a SIM card tray, a pop-up selfie camera. On the bottom, here is a 3.5mm audio jack, mic, here is a mic, here is a USB Type-C port, and here is a speaker grill. On the back side, as you can see here is a fingerprint scanner, a fast fingerprint scanner. And here is a Huawei logo. Here is a AI triple main camera, 16 megapixels f1.8 wide PDAF, 8 megapixels ultra wide, and 2 megapixels f2.4 depth sensor. So let's start the device. Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, powered by Android. Come on, it's getting started. Wow, this is wonderful. Wow, every time has a different wallpaper. The smartphone has a different wallpaper when you press power button, as you can see. The device has started. The navigation is wonderful, smooth and sexy. Wow. So this is a 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage smartphone with a processor of Silicon Kirin 710F and Android 9.0 Pie operating system. Let's see other features of this smartphone. Settings, system, about phone. As you can see here, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, model STK-L21. EMUI version 9.01, Android version 9, CPU Silicon Kirin 710F, RAM 4 GB, internal storage 128 GB, resolution 2340 by 1080. So this is a wonderful smartphone, and basically this is a mid-range smartphone, Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Let's see camera. Camera is wonderful. Camera not bad. Quality is wonderful. As you can see here. Wow. It's awesome. And here is a pop-up camera, as you can see. So this is a wonderful deal for you. If you want to get this smartphone, please check the link in the description. We hope you will like this video. If you do, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.